Hello, scholars. This is your Friday phonics lesson. Please make sure you have this worksheet available. Today we're going to review the long U sound. The long U sound, like in stew, zoo, fruit, and clue. It's that oo sound. Let's do this first word together. Z, oo. Z, oo. One more time. Z, oo. Now it's your turn. Put it together. Zoo. All right, here's another one. B, oo, t. B, oo, t. Boot. B, oo, t. Boot. Boot. Here's the last one. R, oo, m. R, oo, m. Room. Your turn. Put it together. Room. All right, let's go ahead and take out our pencils and get ready for our spelling test. Your first word here is boot. Boot. B-oot. Boot. Click on the thumbs up when you're ready to hear the next word. Your next word here is root. R-oot. Root. R-oot. Root. Click on the thumbs up for the next word. Your last word here is zoo. Z-oo. Zoo. Z-oo. Zoo. Click on the thumbs up to move on. Today we're going to practice making the A-W-A-U sound, ah, and we'll say it a few times. At the beginning of this video, you are going to practice making sure your mouth is in the right shape to make the sound.
How to make the sound. Open your mouth and let air flow from your mouth to make the ah sound, as in sauce and hawk. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letters A-U, A-W, and make the ah sound. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Draw. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Lawn. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Fawn. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Hall. Click on the letter that makes the ah sound. Caught.
All right. So now we're going to practice with AW. AW says ah. AW says ah. We normally find AW at the end or the middle of a word. For example, p, ah, pa, f, ah, n, fawn, dr, ah, draw, str, ah, straw, h, ah, k, hawk. Now it's your turn. You are going to write AW in these words, in these boxes below, in the spaces below, and you are going to sound out the word. P. If you put an AW here, your sounds would be P, ah, pa. Do the next two on your own. As you write your letters in, say it out loud, just like in the video. When you are done, you may click on the thumbs up to move on. And here we go. We are going to work on our sight word sentences. Here are your sight words today. Tap them out if you can. I. This letter all on its own is the sight word I. IS. 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 HE. 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 Which one of these sight words would best fit in our sight word sentence? Blank like to play. I like to play. Is like to play. He like to play. Which one of these sight words best fits in our sentence? As you write your sight word in, take a look at the things you need to do to make sure your writing is done correctly. Check for finger spaces. Make sure each word has a space in between. Make sure you're using capitals properly. And of course, make sure you're using the correct punctuation at the end. This is the end of your phonics lesson. Make sure to upload a picture of your work to the Google Classroom.